Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video where we're going to trade on TFeed using Rithmic as a leader account. So the first thing you will have when you first buy a TFeed account is this interface. And what you want to do is to click on Add Connection. From there, you will have several possibilities. So either you are clicking on a Rithmic live account, in which case you will click on Rithmic here and select Rithmic 01 as a server, because Rithmic 01 is always only used for live accounts. Either you have a prop firm like Apex or other prop firms, day traders, funded futures, TradeFender, etc. All of those in this list basically. Please note that if, for example, you trade on Apex uses their own private Rithmic server. So if you try to connect on the general Rithmic endpoint like I am right now, it will not work. Oh, sorry. But if I click on, let's say, here and enter Apex, Thor will be able to detect that you are trying to connect to an Apex vendor, and you will just have to click here to redirect to an Apex account. So, in any way, I will just use credentials here to connect up with my account. Chrome is insanely annoying with those pop-ups. And I'll leave allow cross-trading here on disabled because we don't need that right now. Save, and then I have a new line and I just click on to be uploaded. A quick word on the market data line. So this line is very confusing for most traders. That's why we have a button to up, just remove the column. But anyway, the market data here are basically never used when you are a leader, when you have a Rithmic leader, sorry. The only time market data are used is when you have a Rithmic connection, so an entire connection that is a follower. For example, if you trade two Rithmic accounts and one of them is a leader and the other one is a follower, then the follower one will have its market data enabled. In any case, that is not something what to worry about. All we have to check is that the status of both connections are unconnected, and go to accounts list here and click on add account. Up. So from there, you will have the leader and follower. If I click then, you can see that I have my Apex account here and my TFeed account that is not selectable because TFeed needs a leader to work with, meaning that it cannot be a leader itself. So I'll select Rithmic as the leader, TFeed as the follower. I'll leave the rest of that to default, that's fine that way. And then I have my new line. Here, this button indicates that I need to save because this is not currently. So I click on save on the bottom left, and then you can see that this changed to saved. And from this point, I can just, trade. So from there, I'll go to position. And what I recommend you is to always activate this compact view mode, because it will give you the view to both the positions, the working orders, and the closed positions. So here, don't bother about that because I did some previous videos and previous tests. That's why there are some closed positions there already. But anyway, from now on, all we can do is just go to a platform that supports Rithmic and trade on that. So for that, I've chosen Quantower because it's a very, I think, intuitive and straightforward platform. And I have already connected my Rithmic accounts. You can see I am connected. And I'll just, place a trade up. Let's say that I do that. So my trade is running and I can just go to Thor real quick and you can see that the trade is being copied successfully. So something that can help you because it's pretty annoying to go and forth to this page is to click on pop-up monitor right here, and it will open this little window that you will be able to place about anywhere you want. Here, up, let me go on Quantower. And I'll just try to do some adjustments on my window. So Quantower save the current status of your charts. So you will have to do that only once. Shoop. I do that. Let's say I do that like this. And now I can control the status of my positions, etc., etc. Let's say I close that. You will see there is a bit of delay in the positions. Here it was pretty fast actually, but sometimes some delay can happen because from a technical point of view, the transfer of information it's kind of long. So some delay can happen there, but it's only a visual delay, okay? If this position stays open for like 2 seconds after you closed, it didn't actually stay open for 2 seconds, okay? It's just the time that the information got transmitted, but in reality, the close happens on average 17 milliseconds after you actually requested it. So it's instant. For example, a blink of an eye is 100 milliseconds. So it's very, very fast. So let's say I buy again. Okay. You can see that my up copy is already done. If I, for example, do a limit order up, then that's unfortunate. But anyway, that's about it. So it just works. And if you want to follow the how can I say, the status of your account more in depth, you can go to the PropFirm accounts tab, and from there you'll be able to see, well, if you have any pending orders or positions, close them if they are unwanted. See the list of your trades, the statistics, etc., etc. A lot of cool stuff and a lot of useful stuff too. So I'll leave you with that, and I hope you appreciated this video. Have a nice trading. Bye.